Morning, my name is Daren with BW Manufacturing, and I'm going to show you how to change the dust filters this morning. Grab a hold of the winch handle, let the barrel down, twist it counterclockwise, making sure it's loose enough so you got a little bit of slack to undo the hooks. Roll the barrel out. Up underneath, there's 2 nylon nuts for each filter. Unscrew the nut. There goes the nut. Here's the filter. Grab the new one. Sometimes it's a little, there it goes. Screw the nut back on, making sure you don't cross thread it. Tighten so it's good and tight. Pull the barrel back. Attach to the eyelets. And you'll have to help guide the barrel back onto the lip. You don't want it too tight, just good and snug. And that's how you change dust filters.